To get an eBay shipping label, start by logging into your eBay account and navigating to the Sold Items section. Locate the item you want to ship and click on it to access the order details page. On this page, you will see a button that says Print Shipping Label. Click on this button to proceed. Next, you will be asked to select a shipping carrier. Choose from options such as USPS, UPS, or FedEx. Select the carrier that best suits your needs and enter the package details, including the weight and dimensions of the item. You can also add any additional services you may need, such as tracking or insurance. Once you have entered the package details, you will be prompted to review and confirm the shipping label. Make sure all the information is correct, including the shipping address and the package details. If everything looks good, click Confirm and Pay to purchase the shipping label. eBay will then generate a shipping label that you can print out and attach to the package. You can also save the label as a PDF and print it later if needed. Make sure to print the label on a standard 8.5 x 11 inch piece of paper and attach it to the outside of the package. Best practices for using eBay shipping labels include making sure to use a sturdy package that can withstand shipping, and including all relevant shipping information, such as the tracking number and delivery address. You should also keep a record of the shipping label, including the tracking number and the cost of shipping, in case you need to track the package or file a claim. By following these steps, you can easily get an eBay shipping label and ensure that your items are shipped quickly and efficiently. Using eBay shipping labels can also help you save time and money, as they often offer discounted rates and streamlined shipping processes.